I'm your host, Waus, and we're all about talking to content creators, entrepreneurs, small business owners, and regular Joes about their lives, their passion, their hobbies. You'll be surprised, man, when you're joining our live, man. So I'm here with my man, Young Waus. Probably wondering what we got here, man. We call that the iced coffee of the Waus, doing it ourselves, you know? Yes. Here you go, bro.
Good.
With the pinky up, you know what the pinky is? You know, very demure.
So he's washing some dishes right now, getting some things prepped.
We're gonna raw, baby. Straight, you know what I'm saying?
Live footage.
We got no Queen's in the house. Shout out to Queen. You know, to our live. Our helpers did not want to help us, so this is a day in the Waus house. You know what I'm saying? Samoans, it's the man that cooks, so that's what we do. We don't prep nothing, ain't no fancy stuff going on. Today's menu is going to be steak and hamburgers, and probably rice. Nothing special, we just figure, you know what I'm saying, we give this a shot. Yes.
Oh, we live it.
We're gonna have some rice. We're gonna start off with rice. Everybody breaks differently. Some people like to use measurement, but at the Waus, we go get everything by eye, by eyesight, you know, all by look and feeling. That's about 4 cups. You know how I know? See that? It tells you right there, motherfuckers. Let's add a little bit more since. And we watching it. Oh yeah, just in case, for the entertainment purposes. Wash our hands, keep it clean. And if my wife complains about our live, I don't care. That's what they get for not cleaning up this area. You know what I'm saying? You always gotta have a helper. You gotta have the bus boy, the people to prep for the chef. But unfortunately, since it's Labor Day weekend, the women decide to go ahead and honor the holiday by not doing shit, not doing nothing. So we're here. Waus here complaining about it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Look at that footwork. Oh, shoot.
You know, so what am I doing there, guys? I'm literally just putting my fingers in there, you know, and just doing this, kind of like feeling on the rice, because you want to feel that texture. You see that? You got to capture the rice?
Yes, sir.
I hope all you're doing is capture this. I hope you're not capturing the other things.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Me and your comments. I don't need no comment like, dude, Waus, wash your counters and everything. You know? Notice how it's getting all white, you know?
What is that, starch?
Yep, the starch, man. You want to make sure you wash it clean. Yep, and then I know there are those people out there. Do a call out, shout them out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who?
Send my gifts.
Who you saying what's up to?
All the people joining.
Okay.
We're just prepping some food.
This is what, rice?
This is what Samoans love.
Yeah, we're doing it the authentic way. I don't care about no damn lights. I don't care about none of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's all about getting the business done.
Yes, sir. Stand on business.
So, wow. I'm gonna go ahead and let Young Waus here to go ahead and wash this rice, and I'm gonna film. Let me show you how it's done. Go ahead. Finish the work. You know, it's a learning thing. What do you think, Young Waus?
I think the same thing, sir. I'm thinking whatever you think.
Are you grateful that you're not getting like slapped and stuff? You know what I'm saying?
The ass whooping every day.
Yeah, when you're doing it wrong. You know, you probably, if you finger measured your rice. That's right, Hawaii. That's right, yo. Let's see if the young man knows what he's doing. Right at the end.
You gotta finger the rice really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you
now
got
you know
face.
It's ready, baby.
Man.
You know it's ready. Yeah, coming up. Then we bring it, you know, in the old ways we used to, you know, start a fire and Yep. But now we thank God for electricity. Shout out to who is this?
Technology.
Aroma. Then you just turn it on and bada bing, bada boom. All right, so our rice is already ready. Since it's just me and Young Wild who's cooking, we're gonna keep it simple because we're lazy.
Oh man.
Yep, we're man and we like stuff simple, you know? So we're gonna have steak, ribeye steak. That's gonna be on the menu. I'm gonna be grilling that. Y'all gonna see us start it out. And you know what? Shout out to my man, The Difference, because The Difference is the one that actually taught me the whole pyramid stacking on the grill before you light it up, you know? But we're about to fire up this grill and cook some ribeye steak, hamburgers. Bam, let's show that. That's what we're working with, you know? Boom. So we're stepping in the back outside this beautiful, beautiful sun.
Como fai aquele sunga steak mole. Ai ui lava o que lo fai ni me fa pe. Ai, nela como fai ako.
Probably thought it was a big grill that we got here. Nope. We got to keep it simple because everything else is back in South Carolina. So we're out here temporarily. So we just got this little $20 one that you get. Well, actually it's $30, the one you get at Walmart. Little simple thing. You ready to show the inside of the grills?
Yes, sir.
As you can see, it is not clean. We're gonna go ahead and clean that up. There he goes. The Samoan way. Kangoye. You know, that's a blessing about being Samoan too. You know, you have the little youngsters here that go ahead and take care of the hard work. Well, us adults just go ahead and supervise. What do you think? You think that's right?
Yes, sir.
Supervise.
Expect it.
Mm-hmm. About to show these guys some trick that I learned. Then go ahead and just grab. Yeah. Dump it all in there. Little trick, you know what I'm saying? If you don't clean it the very next day, for those that are grill experts, then you just toss that on the floor. Only on the floor. Bam, just like that. Bam, that's clean. Here, do the same on this one. You can leave that there. Come on. Boom, look at that. You can leave that there. Come on, lie in the middle. Simple, boys. This is what you call it. You put it all right here. The benefit of having a small little grill, you're able to do this. Oh man, damn, Guru's in the house. Damn, Oos. Hey, Oos, don't be clowning on the grill, bro. Disclaimer, I never said I was a professional griller. You know what I'm saying, Oos? You tune into the Why Oos Grill, bro. I wish I had my sound bit of saying, why, Oos? Why are you doing that? Well, you know, level up. Bam, you see that? Hold this. I'm trying to show the tutorial. This is the fastest way of a last minute grilling. Yeah, right. And then you just go through it. I'm gonna get lapis. That's my cousin that actually grills. They would just dump that in there. As Young Oos is a little nephew there helping out. We're just grilling out here Labor Day. Look at this beautiful sunshine, folks. About to show the different style. Oh yeah, shout out to our nephew, handsome nephew Tama, and his beautiful wife Vanessa, the newlyweds who got married yesterday out there in P-Town 503. Shout out to The Difference, man. So this is what we call a pyramid. You're gonna build a pyramid, man. You know, stack it up. What finger in the middle? Come on. See if we find it late, man. Do it. Do it with love, man. Where's the love at? Yeah, Queens in the house. Yeah, level up. Pick our fluid. Yeah.
Poquito.
Yeah. Poquito. Sí, señor. So we're learning Mexican because, you know what I'm saying, since we got a new one in the house. Let it soak. Let it soak. Let the viewer say,
Let it
stop.
burn.
Let it burn. When you're feeling like you're doing me wrong, let it burn. Yes.
What is that on there? If you feeling the body, yeah, girl, don't want you. You gotta know and then let it go. Your body and ain't know what they used to.
Let it burn.
Let it burn.
Let it burn.
Sir.
Deep down in ya. Well, I'm gonna burn, man. Now let it soak. Let it soak and let it melt. Let it dry up. You know what I'm saying? For real. I know Ed is like, Tilly, what the fuck are you doing? Why Oos never claimed I was an expert at grilling, y'all. But I just know. But wait until y'all see my ribs, Oos. It's the rib. It's not even about the way it looks, y'all. It's about the finishing product.
Taste.
It's about the taste. You know, let the people feel the taste. So we're gonna let that sit for a good 15 to 20 minutes while we dabble and talk to the audience. Yes, what's up, man? Family show story. Young Waius, man. So how do you feel, man, about, you know, experiencing it? Because this is Young Waius' first time grilling with Waius.
Great opportunity, great experience. More life.
Have you ever experienced this kind of grill method that I've shown you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah.
You're the first.
First, that's quick, fast. I'm all about consistent. Well, I'm all about precise.
You're very demure. You're very demure.
So right to the spot.
You're classical.
This is not demure.
Oh.
This right here is
Fucking ghetto.
Hey, what y'all think, guys? Let us know if you were saying if it was right. Is it ghetto or is it demure? We're gonna go while we let that dry up. We're gonna go ahead and start putting some seasoning on the steak. Now, for me alone, when I do my ribeye steaks, I only like to just put salt on it. That's it. And room temperature before I put that babies on the grill. But let me know in the comment how y'all do your ribeyes. There we go. That's what we're working with. We're doing some hamburgers from Sam's Club, and then we're doing six of these steaks, ribeye steaks. That's what we're grilling today. While we you know, since I'm on a little pause, man, if you like the merch I got on, there's a reason why we have this on. This is the only way to keep our podcast alive is by sponsoring us or actually supporting us. You can find all this merch on our website. Shout out to everyone that's been purchasing our merchandise. We love y'all. Thanks for the support.
Yes, sir.
So for the steak, we're only going to use salt for our ribeye steak. I like to keep this at room temperature. Yes, sir. Go ahead and light that fire, yo. Y'all ready to see the fire get lit?
See the bird?
We have a new camera girl to hold our camera while we. Yeah. Yeah, enjoy Waius, man. Shit. O que é uma peva vai, man? Let it burn. Let it burn. Não lima Waius.
Shit.
Please burn. This is live. Don't let me down.
Run it back.
Yep. And that's how it's done, y'all. Sometimes you just gotta like let some help go.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget to tap on the screen. You know what I'm saying? Reach out to those that they want to learn how to grill some ribeye steak. It's a beautiful look though, you know, the fire. When you're actually looking at it through the camera lens.
Oh yeah.
It's very demure. It's very. I just want.
Mindful.
It's
Very
very.
intelligent.
Yeah. You know what is not demure, guys? Very ghetto. Yes. Is this right here? That's not demure. That's not very lightful. It's not very. Oh, I come.
Hey guys.
That's gonna be on a pile too. We're gonna capture that moment. You know what I'm saying? So Emma D, how was your weekend? What did you do? Did you have a fabulous weekend? Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the live. Y'all tuning in to the Y-Oos as we're about to go ahead and this is what is this? A live of a tutorial of cooking with Y-Oos. So this is how not to prepare for a barbecue is what I'm showing you.
Hi, hunkin',
You know
girl.
what I'm saying? But it's what I mean. Y-Oos is not everything. One thing Y-Oos is not a chef.
Oh yeah,
You know what?
he's telling the truth. Oh
You a
shit.
bully,
What?
motherfucker.
Hey, my uncle knows how to cook. Don't
That's
show
right,
the camera.
that's
How not to do last minute barbecue. Hunkin' girl.
Sunshine joined. Hi, Sunshine.
We are. What do you call? It's all about fitness too, guys. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, show them. You gonna show some?
You go back to my old episode 1 all the way to 49. I was
Well,
looking
Suey.
like a triple 49, but now
He's
physique.
so faithful to 49. Ow.
yeah.
But I forgot hunkin'.
Hunkin with
Shout out to Hunkin, man. We'll make sure to.
Life is my cruise. Special man celebrated Labor
Oos,
Day.
why do you celebrate Labor Day? Question mark.
Labor
I
Day.
don't- I'm not celebrating. Bring the camera in closer so they can hear me, man. I'm not celebrating Labor Day. I am still doing some labor right now. So, you know, for you guys watching me, you guys are celebrating. Why are y'all celebrating Labor Day?
Why? Oos?
Why, Oos?
Hey guys. They said I wasn't very demure. I'm demure. I'm the more.
Put some filter on.
I'm the most demurest out of. I think I should turn around because I can't see myself. It's giving old lady. I don't know how to work this camera, but I'll just talk from the back. And here we are. I come downstairs and they're burning coal for the barbecue, for their steak they want to make. I just hope I'm keeping you guys interested. My weekend was very eventful, very, very demure, very cutesy, I would say. I'm not really a talker. Why would I lie on camera? Guys, I am a talker. I just wanted to lie on the live. But to whoever's watching, whoever's tuning in, my uncle and my little brother are cooking up their steak, barbecue stuff. I guess they're not celebrating Labor Day because they're doing more labor.
Take the camera so you can see the viewers.
They're telling me to turn the camera around. I don't know how to do that. But so give me 1 second. Let me try. Here you guys go. You're doing a great job. Hi sis. In settings. Do I have to press the more dots? Flip camera. I did it, guys. Oh my gosh. Is this what you guys were looking at this whole time? Yeah, it wasn't giving demure. Sorry, guys.
You know what is not demure, guys? Very ghetto. Yes.
Oh, the viewers went up because of me. You guys better tell Y-Oos that. Well, hello everybody that's just joining in. I'm taking over for the camera because they left me outside to watch over their fire. But it's a very beautiful day here in Kentucky. The fall is coming. That means the pumpkin, the smell of trees falling is coming. Oh, I guess they want you to do barbecue. I know. I don't know how to cook. I'm sorry though. What is your name? My name is Emma. I'm Y-Oos's niece. I came all the way from Utah. Hi, Queen Y-Oos. Thank you. Yeah, I'm actually named after one of my aunties out there in New Zealand. Oh, nice. I have lots of family in Utah. Really? There's a lot of Polynesians out there in Utah.
How you doing on the live?
I got our viewers up
What?
to 11. But
What?
that's still good.
Yeah, that's more than me and Young White Oos.
She's doing hella good from Queen White Oos. Hunkin said, yeah, I used to live there. Oh, where? When me and my family first moved out to Utah, we lived in West Valley. And then we moved up to Kearns, and then now we're currently staying in Salt Lake City. So it's nice. Yeah, I started my freshman year in Kearns High School, and then I finished off at West High School down in Salt Lake City.
Hey, you want to
Graduated from Kearns. Same with my brother. He graduated 2020. And then my oldest brother graduated in Granger, at Granger. Are you still in high school? No, I graduated this year. I'll be going to basic training for the Navy soon in like 20 more days. This is a funny setup story. Thank you, Queen Sophoraya. And thank you, Hunkin Girl. And then thank you, Queen Uswai Us. I graduated on a Friday, May 31st. That's a Friday. The next day was June 1st. June 2nd, I had my Ainga party. And then June 3rd, I received a message from my auntie, White Us's wife. And so then she asked if I wanted to come hang out here with my cousin before he leaves back to college. I have a talk with my auntie, and then come to find out the next day I have an appointment with the recruiter.
Oh, Navy recruiter.
The Navy recruiter. So then the next day comes, we go and start my paperwork, and then I have
tell them how you were feeling at that moment when you received the,
Oh, do I have to tell them my feelings? Okay. So I was really feeling. So how I was really feeling that night, I was so broken. Like, I felt like, what? Like, this was a whole setup. Like, I didn't want to, like, join the military right away. But, in the long run, I thanked myself. Yeah, I just graduated from high school. I wanted to go,
enjoy and experience what you hear from everybody
yeah.
talk about. Drinking, go see the party live.
Yes, I wanted to do all that. And then when I came out here to Kentucky, had a talk that night, the night I landed. In her words, I still remember to this day, that was in June. In her words, she said, the goal is for you not to go back to Utah. Oh, that broke my heart. I started crying right then and there. So then that night, I prayed to our Father God above, and I asked him, I was like, if this is the right choice for me, then let it be in his will. So then as time went on, I had an appointment to go to MEPS. MEPS is where you actually swear into the Navy. You sign all these papers for the military. And so then I had an appointment the following week after. And so then I signed my life away June 14th is when I swore in to become a Navy sailor. Ever since then, I've had a ship date out since September 24th. Fast forward to September 2nd, I'm ready to go. I'm excited to see what life has in store for me.
3 more weeks left to go?
I have like 3 more weeks left, and then I'll be in Chicago, Illinois for my basic training.
I didn't realize I was going to get on this live and vent to you guys, my listeners. No, I'm playing. Right now, I'm just waiting for Young White Oos to come out with my steaks because the grill is ready. Young, where's my steaks?
No, boys, it's 11:13, and then I'll come ready.
Nope, it's already ready. Where's the foil? You guys ever do the hack? I don't know if it's a hack, but using foil to clean your grill, and then chop up a half onion to serenade that grill. Anybody ever seen that one? Like, what we got here on the recipe?
We're gonna make sauce for the cheeseburger, the hamburger.
Grill? Oh, you got the grill? Look at you. You're gonna really be a chef in the making.
I want you guys to see I'm talented. So I just cut up I diced some onions. So now I already got them frying in the oil.
You got the best mayonnaise in the world out here. So anyways, for y'all, in case y'all don't know, see how it says Hellsman's over here? But back in the West, it's all best food. Maybe they're the same, right, guys? I'm assuming they're the same thing, just different brand.
So what you're gonna do is clean up
Ketchup.
after yourself.
Okay.
It's that in and out kind of thing, What you guys know about this?
What do you mean? It's the West Coast you're talking to.
For real. Everyone's talking to the West Coast.
And mix that baby girl up.
It's giving in and out sauce.
Give you some, put you guys on some game. So this is gonna be what's gonna be going on the buns. I'm gonna toast the buns, and after we toast the buns, I'm gonna get some American cheese. Throw that baby girl right on top. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with right now.
Show y'all what I learned on TikTok. Well, I didn't learn this on TikTok. This has just been like a method of, you know, like cleaning the grill. Y'all know what's up. See that? That cleans it all up. I know y'all were concerned, the ones that first tuned in, like, damn, they got a dirty ass freaking grill. But no, worry not. Mr. Clean is in the house. Then you got the onions. I learned this in Korea. My time in Korea. 2014.
Oh, you just
to
cleaned it with the
2019.
onion?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Look at that. Aren't you amazed?
Oh wow.
Be amazed, y'all. Be amazed. You're welcome. Take some lessons. You know we can never go nowhere without the bang bang.
I'm like, yes, cooking grill, MJ.
Uh-huh. Hear that sizzle.
Queen White Goose, bang, bang.
Hear that sizzle. Bring it close so you can hear the sizzle. You know it's something good happening. Something good is happening. Ooh, let it burn.
Let it burn.
What you think, young Wild?
Let it burn.
That's right.
Let it
You
burn.
surprised.
Hunkin said bang, bang.
Yeah.
MJ said 49ers.
Yep, like this. Bam, like this. Ooh, this is going to be really good, y'all. Boom. All right.
Oh, they said I look very good. That's looking good.
You didn't
Yes,
say
sir.
they said the meat looks good.
The meat. They're referring
Oh,
to
y'all
the
take
meat.
your steaks.
You got beautiful kids and food looking great. Thank you, MJ. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Somebody had a question about, let me see the comments here. Loving the meat, y'all. Let it burn. That looks good. Yep, somebody asked something about how long would it take for, how long do I put it on there for? As you can see, that's ribeye steak real quick. I let it sit there for like 7 minutes on each side. Now, if you want it medium well, 6 minutes. But if you want it well done, put about 10 minutes, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Capture that moment.
look at that. Look at that. That's that nice, almost kikikisir.
Loving a flip that mother.
Yeah.
You want that grill fire to burn when it comes to steak, right? On my travel while I was in Asia, I learned the formula of I learned the equation or the calculation of a steak, of a meat. What I have right here is a 3 pound, about a 1/4 inch thickness, about a 5/8. And when you have that kind, man, if you want that nice juiciness inside, once I flip it, I'm not gonna turn it no more, you know? I'm gonna let it sit there so that way them sauce can marinate. It's like when that's how you have like afakasis, right? Mixed breeds and stuff, mixing together. You got the fire, you got the salt that I put on there early, plus the red meat, all just marinating and just loving on each other. Now that one's ready. Oh,
Why you said not the afakasi?
yeah. You
Yes,
see?
the afakasi. Yes, the
Coconut Ooze.
afakasi.
Shout out to Coconut Ooze. This is you, Ooze. Coconut
Sir.
Ooze right there. The Palangi side and the Samoan side.
Woo! Oh wow.
Boom.
Oh wow. What's going on here?
Just let it burn. And for those that's not familiar with grilling, like you want the fire to go out,
Just close that shit.
Close
Just
it.
close that shit.
close it. Boom. That's the answer to that question, you know?
Marshall said, "Turn it down. Turn it down. Shit about to burn, Unc." Hey.
Already turned out.
Hey, they don't know what's up with you, Unc. They playing with you. Hey, let me see what Unc. Ooh!
Remember I said I don't flip it? Well, when it's burning like that,
Ngala
I
move.
like it.
Ngala.
That's a good thing about steak, man. It don't burn, you know? It needs that love. See that?
Right.
It needs that love, guys. We should get some good.
Whoa. Why, who's about to get burned? Happy Labor Day. Yes, sir.
Commercial shop. Yeah, if you're enjoying, you like the merch that we have, the only way to support our podcast is through our website at wyoos.com. Yeah. And then if the fire still doesn't go down, it's okay to just let it out.
Take that shit out. You know what I'm saying?
It's okay. Let it come out for a little bit. Let that fire cool down.
Not too fiery to me.
Nah, that is fire.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Take that good shot around, bro. Yes. Dang. It don't get better than this.
Oh, so what you sipping on, Waius? What you got there in your cup?
This is the Waius iced coffee.
Okay.
From the Keurig machine.
Okay.
Nothing special, just some creamer on it. Put a whole lot of ice on it.
Just a little some.
Put the creamer at the lowest so that way you get all the caffeine.
So may kala MJ 49ers in the Fali.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we'll throw that baby girl right back on.
Anybody know any free apps that we can watch so I don't have to pay for it? Or if you want to send Waius, DM me your user and password so I can log on your YouTube channel or to watch it, you know what I'm saying?
That comes with free merchandise, right, Oos?
You have to talk to Queen about that one. This thing's gonna be nice and juicy. Finger licking. Johnny Carnitas, what's up? You all right, my guy? They're being cooked. You know, it's this, I normally do a way better job. Yeah, the next is the patties. Y'all want to see the patties? I normally do a lot better job, but being on live, it's the challenge of trying to talk and do the right thing, you know? Yes. So we got these ground beef. I'm gonna go ahead and let the young man here. This young man is like, how tall are you? 6'3"? He's gotta be 6'3". 6'3", man. I'm only 5'12", 5'11".
Oh,
5'11". Go ahead. And there's a story behind that. Remember that I said I'm 5'11", and this young man, my nephew, is 6'3". I'm gonna tell y'all why in a little bit. Yeah, we got this one from Sam's Club. That's where we got that patty from. No, that's it. I see what you're saying. Go ahead. Sometimes the older one need to just relax and let the young one do what he's doing, you know? There's a learning lessons for us millennials and Gen X. Bear with us, we got a small little grill. Look at how small our grill is. My regular size grill is back in South Carolina. I didn't want to buy another damn grill. I got like 3 grills sitting over there. So I got me this quick one for days like this. It's amusing how we watch the live and we're just more intrigued of looking at how things get cooked, you know? Let me realign your patties.
These aren't normal patties either, huh?
Yeah, they're normal patties that Sam's Club already makes. They already do a good job on grinding it. Boom. These are gonna be quick. And that's all. That's our main course right there. Is ribeye steaks, some hamburgers,
Like rice,
steamed rice. You know, so we keep it simple. For vegetables, we're gonna have salad. No, I'm lying. No salad. Just straight up meat and carbs. We actually did an intermittent fasting today. We stopped eating. What time y'all start eating?
in the morning, early in the morning.
Early in the morning. I didn't even eat at all today. I stopped eating around maybe 7 p.m. Just keep an eye on that.
Next be hot dogs.
We got hot dogs?
MJ.
No, MJ, I stopped. This is the first one I'm actually not doing hot dogs no more.
Solly. Oh shit.
What?
Behind the lava.
Behind the level, shout out to Michael Tanner.
Solly.
What's up, brother? Lenny Mailman, for a shout out to all the vets out there, man. I appreciate you guys, what you guys do behind the lava. Educating our vets, especially our vets, of helping them, you know, when they get out to service. Cause y'all, I just checked out you guys' recent episode, man. I like that with the life insurance. And Man, y'all just doing a great job, guys. Mas sabe um lugar para ficar e vamos olhar isso? Michael 10 in the field. Well, the patty is because the way young Waius messed up and the way he put it on the grill.
Don't blame it on me now.
It's the only reason why it's broken up. And then, when it's not looking too right, you go ahead and close the grill. Because you don't want to, you know what I'm saying, show what's not really going right. Bianca Lava, brother, what you grilling up today? I see the Michael 10. What's that new shop?
Hey, what's that?
The cookies in Utah. Yeah.
Cookies?
Yeah, I seen it on you just posted it, those. What is that?
Or
yeah.
cookies.
Yeah. Is that like a Polynesian? Is that a poly owner? I'm advertising my merch. I'm a friendly cop.
Oh, behind the Lava, just shopping, running errands. It's a Samoan urban cookie store.
Oh, it's a Samoan urban cookie store.
The theme is NBA.
NBA, okay. Check it out, man. Yeah, man, everything is in Utah. I was just telling my nephew, because he's from Utah. And you know what's crazy? My nephew don't even know nothing about that. He don't know about Beyond the Lava. I don't like Kia. I'm not into podcast yet. But they will know about y'all like when they graduate from high school, which you graduate next year. So he'll know what's up with the podcast and all the good stuff.
The no falong patty's no good. Oh, where can we find this merch?
At Waius.com.
Looking real good.
It's on our bio, guys. Help to support us. We ain't got no sponsors. We are accepting sponsorship, and it's something that you know, eventually, Lord willing, we will get to. You know. Yeah, the youngin' will learn quick. These little ones, man. Olifia poco. But I love them, man. They help me stay young. They challenge me physically. And their minds are just out of the wall.
You tell them I'm making patties?
I'm thinking, gonna go cook, because looking at you guys for food, I'm hungry.
Oh.
Hey, we inspired. Right on, MJ. Sui Susopo. Hey, what's up, man? Vai me nga la mu sali. Sali. Fanga kare me. Cameraman le haule mo fai fai kung wali nasi.
Numero ko. Yeah,
Na makamaya me ma gaya ko fa se mai me wo.
Oh, ngala overburn. Maloleva.
Come ko ya la va. Down top Paris, man. Me ale mo ole also for lunga ma ule live. Porque ele fia live ale e focus fale strategy fa ya mami.
Fire the cameraman tot. Fire cameraman tot.
La malingi me le makawai.
Fire foka. You god.
Fire my tip, I could cameraman tap.
Fire my tap, my screen. Tap, my.
No, but real quick, we got
Oi.
my podcast next week, either live or on either TikTok live, or we're gonna go on the regular pod. But it's out there in Texas. That's who we'll be having on our podcast next week. Thank you all for tuning in, guys. This is all we have, man. Our patties is ready. And call it a day with this live, man. I want to thank everybody for tuning in on our live. Something that we're trying out, you know. It's a good thing we inspire somebody. Where you boys at? So also to a supper, we are out here in Kentucky, Louisville, well, Fort Knox. But we are done. You know how it is, man. When you're done cooking, you're going to go ahead and enjoy the meal. Do you have anything you want to say before we head out?
Yeah, go ahead and tap the screen. Send me some love. On the wall.
I'm my Chicago, man. How did they say that? Just give me some money.
Give me money. Yay! Bye.
Hey, y'all, man. But thank y'all for tuning in, man. And we are out, baby. We're going to go enjoy this. Happy Labor Day to all of y'all. We love y'all. Twilight.